Hello, Zimbabweans, and let us continue to take a look on what's happening in the nation of Zimbabwe without fear, without favor. And I was looking at a shocking video where Zvigure were brought to disturb war veterans, and I said, who dares bring Zvigure to disrupt a presser? Kana asiri kutya what is coming? And it's something which is very, very important, and we cannot ignore that. We cannot let that happen in Zimbabwe. So this is a place where war veterans were supposed to have a press conference peacefully, talk whatever about whatever they wanted to talk about, but they were disrupted. And this is the kind of behavior which we have only seen ZANU-PF. Very intolerant, very, very useless, and ndo zvavanogona kana zvine zvechekuita nemhirizhonga. Look at madhara zvavaimaita.
We are very peace-loving people. We've even made a formal link to the Commissioner General. Here's our letter. We can show you. So let's cooperate. Unless you are trying to provoke the people. What is your mission here?
We are not here to provoke anyone, but we are here to protect our mission.
Your meeting.
I'm sure you have got your own business that you want to do. We also have our own business.
But you can't do it here. We are in this place. So you leaving over here.
You are also displacing us.
I was with a book at Kapu, space. No, but the didn't get seated about Chinasaha, baby. Don't be emotional. Don't be emotional. No, please, let's cool. This is Zimbabwe. This is our country. We shed our blood for this country. For you guys to be here today.
And we are the beneficiaries.
Wait.
We are the beneficiaries. I hope.
No problem.
No, you were seated here. You were seated here. We saw you outside. I know you guys. No one is quite a secret here. We know that you are staying out.
We are not saying to say, right?
No. These guys violence. Precipitating violence. Yeah. You are too young for us. You are too young for us. You are just.
So, I find this humiliating. Our young people are not supposed to be used by these crooks to be hired, and you are given just a few things, and then you are told go and disrupt ABCD. Imagine who does that to hire Zvigure to just disrupt a press conference. Press conference or no press conference, things will remain the same in Zimbabwe as long as this administration is there, because it doesn't have the capacity to deliver change. They are corrupt, they are inept, they don't have ideas, they are crooks, they are evil. They are not loved by the people. Even God does not love them. So this is what is happening in Zimbabwe, and it's a very, very sad situation. When are these young people going